Yo, Sakafet, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create realistic guitar melody in FL Studio 26. To make this much more interesting, I'm challenging myself to create the beat using only 5 instruments. So let's have some fun. I have my tempo set at 83. Let's load our first instrument. I think I'm gonna go with the input guitar L, and let's go with the Hotel California preset 2C. And one thing that is interesting, you can go stereo. Yeah, I am going to create the simplest chord progression ever. I don't know if I'm on time because I didn't activate my metronome. I'll cue, but we can always make sure to put everything on time. This one was on time. Comment L. Comment L. And then record this right there. And then we do the same thing. Okay, nice. And we can play with those just to make it sound much more realistic. Remember, when you play your guitar, you go up to down. You can do it. See? That's better. That's better. I love it. Click on the audio clip, and then let's add it to our playlist. You will see that you have some delay. That means some of the notes that are not gonna be tight on time. Sorry. And let's normalize it, and we chop it on the second chord, and then the rest are going to be on time now. So let's say that we add a piano. Let's use Contact. I'm going to use the Alicia Keys library. This one is a good piano library. So I'll cue Contact and then come in there. Try again. Okay, the next instrument is going to be string, maybe. Let's bring this sadness to this instrument. Of course, you know, I'm not in an happy mood today, so let's create something that's a little bit sad. So okay, that sounds lovely. I love it. Okay, the next thing is going to be adding some drums real quick so we can have vibe. Let's say we go to the Afrobeat mini stash. Let's use this percussion right there. Pretty simple pattern. Just simple like that. And then comment B. That's a vibe. I, I love it. I love what we have so far. Now I wanna add some bass. To do so, I'm going to use a conga to create my bass. Nice. Now, I love what we create so far, but I think we can do more. For example, on the guitar, I feel like we need to add more melody. Think about that. Mm. Think about that. Think about that. Think about that. I think that's better. Think about that. That's better. Okay, now I think I wanna add a melodic instrument. Let's say we add some violin that can bring this epic vibe to our instrumental. Let's go with Spitfire Audio. This violin is crazy. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. I really love what we created so far. The more I listen to it, the more I feel like it could be a compa beat. So I'm going to try to turn this one into compa, see if it's gonna work. I have some drum loop. Let's go with this one. And let's see. We duplicate this right there. And we have it here again. Okay. So the next thing I am going to do is like to mute the bass, not the bass, the kick. I think I'm gonna remove those right there, put them on maybe another pattern by themselves. And also remove this right there, put it on one by itself. And I can start just right there with the guitar that we have. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please let me know in the comment section if turning this into compa is a good idea. I want to know your opinion on this. Also, creating these guitar melodies remind me how easy it is nowadays to create realistic guitar melody using plugin, and that's really crazy. That's good. Yeah. If you have question, guys, leave a comment down below. So I'm gonna see you on the next one.